What's up guys, got right here Combined Powers Premium Collection 11 packs with 7 promos for only $39 now. It was $50 when it first came out. Now there is some good deals. And those promos are beautiful. So it kind of stacks up together right here. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Check out this 7 promos. That's so cool. For $39 is actually a pretty good deal, I'd say. So there it is. Drop of Ocean. It is perfect for Blastoise, but it's just a reprint. It is not legal. Mr. Mind looks like 1995 card. Lugia EX, Ho-Oh EX, and man, they kind of bent it a little bit, but that's just the way they put them in there. Scorching Charcoal and Sunseed. If I put in the top loader, oh man, look at that dent. Just sometimes they put them in there like that in this plastic covers. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What is this? I do not understand what just happened. This is not supposed to be here. This is so strange. This is not supposed to be Evolving Skies. What is this? I'm going to go and buy a couple like another one on where I bought it. What is happening? It's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be all Evolving Skies. Is this a glitch? Did I find something, a reprint of Evolving Skies, or is this Evolving Skies fake? They look kinda way too shiny. They're supposed to be, and it's 11 packs of Evolving Skies. I don't understand. I hope it's not fake, because yeah, it could have been resealed, and the fact that this also damaged kinda makes me wonder. 11 packs. I mean, I'm gonna open them. I would resell them because each pack is like $15. There's like right here $115 easily, or $130, whatever. Oh no way! This is all fake Pokemon cards. I can't believe it. I can't believe I bought this on Amazon and I got fake Pokemon cards. That's crazy. You see how it's all upside down? Wow. Amazon got me. You could just tell the packs are way too shiny. That is insane. So yeah. Look at that. This is like so off. And yeah, it's all fake. Glaceon. Let's see. When we break one. Yeah. It's just so fake. You could just tell it's fake. Fake Evolving Skies. I can't believe it. Amazon. I'll put links in description where I bought it. Amazon have really bad sellers. They have to cut them out. Look at that. It's just too shiny. It looks super fake. Yeah, and it's like, look at that terrible quality. So what they do is buy them on like, yeah, look at that cream. It's so bad. Just, you could just tell right away it's so fake. They buy them off AliExpress, and yeah, Flareon VMAX. Look at that. It is just so bad. It is hard to fake Pokemon cards. You'd have to have a really nice machine. And how you can tell, it is all upside down. Look at that. This one is not even creamed. This is a really bad fake cards. Never happened to me before, to where I bought some sealed product on Amazon and it's completely fake. Wow. So this is why it is best to buy it from reputable sellers. Amazon is kind of hard to choose who is a reputable seller, who is not. This is all trash. But eBay is easy to tell who has the high reviews, and people would not risk their store on a fake cards. Versus Amazon is I keep getting more fakes like this and scams than eBay ever had before. I know that eBay is like very known for a lot of fakes. Look at that. And scams from back in the day. It is just so bad. It's just too shiny. But now I'm falling into this biggest trap over and over again, to where it's been resealed, and for the first time I bought it from Amazon and we got fake cards. Can you believe it? Look at that. They're just so bad. Can they at least like fake like 10 ambience in one pack? That'd be way cooler. Can we get an ambience? Wow, they didn't even fake any good cards in here. It's all like lame cards. Man, if I would be faking them, like at least like put all the best hits. Look at that. It's just horrible. So if you're wondering, can they fake Pokemon cards? No, they cannot. It's just so easy to tell. This is right here, real Pokemon cards. They're really nice, shiny, beautiful, like EX right here. Look at that. This one is not shiny at all, and this one is just too shiny and weird looking. Just can tell it's not Pokemon. Yeah, just like that. Fake Pokemon card. The only cards are real as these ones, but even these ones, they are like bend them quite a bit. Well, you know what? It's kind of glad it happened to me, because just give this video a thumbs up so I can make my money back and spread the awareness. Make sure you guys go into a Pokemon store or the actual stores, physical stores, and buy that. Avoid buying it from Pokemon. I bought it from official link, so it's like sometimes the other sellers jump on the official Pokemon store, and you can sell, anybody could sell at Amazon, and even though it says Pokemon store, and that's what happens sometimes. So I like eBay better because I know who I'm buying from. Amazon, you don't really know who you buy it from. It just says it's from Pokemon store, but it's a random dealers, fake dealers selling that stuff. Wow, there it is. I got it faked. It's all going in the trash. But the only thing they kept is Lugia. I mean, this is hilarious how they put bunch of evolving skies in there. Like, who would have believed like it's a real one? Yeah. So this is what I paid $40 for. They couldn't even figure it out how to open these cards without bending them. Ridiculous. You know what? They get their own. I don't, in my experience, trying to fake Pokemon cards and trying to like steal Pokemon cards to get rich, it's never gonna happen. So let them do it. They're just gonna keep working for nothing, because they're gonna get here and there an extra $100, but they'll never be rich. So all these Pokemon schemers just wasting their time for like $20 an hour, or maybe even less, because they still have to sell it and package it and go to the packs, and they probably didn't even get any hits from it. So they really are scamming for like maybe sometimes with Pokemon like $8 an hour, who knows. So enjoy your life, but guarantee you're not gonna be rich doing that.